Hey, do you ever feel like the market is just one big confusing puzzle? Like every headline says something different and nobody is really breaking it down in a way that makes sense for you. Well, that is why I'm here. Hey there, Apryle Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate, and this is your monthly market update for August 2025. So let's go ahead and jump on it. Now, you've probably heard a few different stories about what's happening in real estate, right? I mean, some say that it's getting hotter and others are saying that it's cooling down. Well, let's be clear. What is happening nationally doesn't always match what's happening right here in the local market. So let's go ahead and go through what's happening here in the Phoenix Valley. Now, right now, we are seeing more homes hitting the market. So buyers, they definitely have more to choose from. And they're also starting to regain some of that leverage that they lost. So let's talk about prices. What's going on with them right now? Well, in most of the valley, home prices are pretty steady. The median sale price in July was about $451,000, which is 2.4% higher than last year. Also, homes are averaging about 63 days on market, which is up from 49 days last year. That means that buyers are taking their time and gaining more negotiating power. Now, what is going on with mortgage rates? Big question, right? Well, right now, at the time of this recording, they're sitting around 6.5% for a 30-year fixed rate. So basically, rates haven't really budged much, and most experts, well, they just don't expect a big shift anytime soon. So let me share a quick story with you real quick. I had a buyer recently who was waiting for the rates to drop, and a home came up that checked every single box for them. But they figured that they would wait because the house would sit, and maybe they'll wait for the rates to come down just a little bit. But it was priced right, and those homes, well, they can still go pretty quick. So what do you think happened? Yeah, it was gone. And now they're kicking themselves because they lost a home that was perfect for them. So what do you think they told me? Yeah, they're not waiting till next time. So being cautious matters, of course, but unfortunately, sometimes it can also cost you. Okay, so let's talk to sellers for a second. Now, buyers do have more choices, yes, but as you heard from my story, homes that are priced correctly could still go quick. So when a home is priced too high, buyers don't just scroll past it, they get irritated by it. Like they're annoyed that you priced it that high in the first place. And once that happens, well, they're not just passing, they're passing with judgment. Then your home sits, and by the time you decide to drop the price, that initial buzz, well, it's gone. And the buyers who are looking at it now, they're seeing that it's been sitting for a while, and they're asking, what's wrong with it? Why hasn't it sold yet? That's why I always say, don't give buyers a reason to second guess it. Price it right from day one. It's not just a smart strategy, it's how you protect your return and keep the power in this market. Plus, you'll end up with less than you would if you could just price it right from the start. So please listen to your agent. They know what's happening in your neighborhood, and that information that they're giving you, it matters. It's not just about pricing, it's about perception, presentation, and strategy. And if you need help with that, I love this stuff. I'd be happy to go over what your home might be worth. So what's the bottom line here? Well, if you're buying, there's opportunity to negotiate. And if you're selling, you gotta be smart, fast, and aligned with this market. And if you're keeping an eye on things, well, great job, because staying informed matters. Again, I'm Apryle Borst. Call, text, or message me. No pressure, no confusion, just real answers. That's what I'm here for. And I will see you next month in your next monthly market update. And don't forget to follow me for more tips and updates. Thanks. Bye.